Go ahead.
All right, I'm representing Eaton Corporation. We're out of San Diego. We mainly focus in fluid power systems, electrical systems, distribution and control, automotive engine air management systems, and intelligent truck drivetrain systems. Currently, there are about 65,000 employees, and we sell products to 125 different countries, or in 125 different countries. Today, we're focusing on the electrical systems, and more important, the residential load center. Currently, right now, Eaton offers two residential load centers, a Westinghouse BR load center and the Cutler Hammer CH load center. The Westinghouse is more common for your lower-end homes, just a typical home in San Diego, or typical tract homes. Whereas your Cutler Hammer is going to be your large custom homes that you see up in like Newport Beach, Laguna Niguel, Point Loma, things of that nature. We will be selling to electrical contractors. Campbell's Electric is an electrical contract company that installs and services load centers and other various electrical equipment in upscale homes. We more focus on the electrical contractors that specialize in large custom homes for the Cutler Hammer Load Center. And with that, our presentation will be...
Hit quiet.
Oh, yes, sir.
Good morning, Mr. Vasquez. Jeff Griner from Eaton Corporation.
Good morning, Jeff. Please call me John.
Well, John, I was referred to you by Mark Goldman. I understand he's a good friend of yours.
Yeah, Mark's a pretty good guy.
Yeah, he speaks very highly of you, too. He was explaining to me that you're currently experiencing some problems with some homes you've developed in the past.
Yeah, I mentioned that when I ran into him the other day, actually.
Okay, what kind of problems are you currently experiencing?
We're having some problems with the load centers for our upscale custom homes that we've been doing.
Oh, I'm sorry to hear about that. Well, maybe I can help. Eaton is a diversified industrial manufacturer, and one of our areas of expertise is electrical systems. We offer a high-quality load center that could be the solution to your problem. What kind of brands are you currently using for your residential load centers?
Right now we're using Murray and occasionally Simons.
Okay, and how long have you been using them?
We've been going with Murray for about 6 years, and we just started using Simons probably about 2 years ago.
Okay, so you're currently experiencing problems with their load centers?
Yes.
Okay, what kind of problems are you having with their load centers?
We're having problems with burnouts, and a lot of the technicians are running into complications when they go to deal with those.
Okay, how is this affecting your business?
Well, the effects, I'm just now actually feeling the effects of the business because of the unreliable materials that are giving me an increased cost. And, the technicians are spending more time trying to service the load centers when they get there.
Okay, what kind of problems are they currently encountering when they go to service the load centers?
Let's see. I'd have to say the most recent complaint would probably, or the most common complaint actually, would probably have to be when they open up the panel. It's just the wiring layout. It's a complete mess. They're having they have to take time to sort out all the wires and then try to dissect the problem. And they're spending way too much time at the customer's home when they get there.
Okay, how many service calls are you averaging per month?
Between 4 and 5.
Okay, so would it help if the number of service calls were reduced and the time spent servicing the load centers were reduced?
Oh, that'd be a great help.
Okay, well, how much is it currently costing you to service your load centers per month?
Let's see here. All right, so figure the average service call is taking me about 4 hours, and if you add up all the costs associated with the service call, it's probably going to run me about $85 an hour. So that's going to equal, quick math here, $340 per service call, give or take. And then for a monthly figure, I'm going with 5. That's going to be about $1,700 a month actually in service calls.
Okay, so you're currently spending approximately over $20,000 a year on service calls?
That number sounds about right.
Okay, so would it help you to reduce the amount of time spent servicing the load centers and reduce the number of service calls down to about 1 per month?
Yes, that'd be great help.
If I can show you a way to reduce the downtime for installation and maintenance along with the number of service calls. Would you be interested in hearing more about our CH Load Center?
I would.
All right. Well, our CH Load Center is the quickest and easiest to install in the industry. It is uniquely designed for user-friendly installations and long-lasting use. Electrical contractors such as Bay City Electric and amongst various others have consistently reported that the installer-friendly features of the CH Load Center are industry-leading. And the special features of the CH Load Center will save you time and reduce your number of service calls. So can you see how the CH Load Center will save you money?
I'm beginning to.
Okay, well, let me demonstrate to you the special features that make the CH Load Center so user-friendly and durable. I can have you stand up for a second. Got that? Okay, so as you can see along the panel of the CH Load Center are uniquely positioned knockouts. The uniquely positioned knockouts allow for easy straight-in wiring, enabling the installer to neatly organize the wires and allow for easy access for later on, inevitably saving you labor costs and material costs. This is great for service work because regardless of the utility connection, the CH Load Center can be used. Also, just below the knockouts are single keyholes for mounting. The single keyholes for mounting allow for easier mounting and leveling, saving you time and money. Also, the CH Load Center is the only load center in the industry that uses a one-piece all-steel backband design. This provides superior stability and reliable breaker mounting, ensuring that you have a safe and solid connection. Also, within the CH Load Center, as you can see here, is a built-in surge protector, which allows the load center to take many over-voltage hits and avoid burnouts. This will protect the many high-end, high-tech products that your customers install in their homes. Also, the CH Load Center uses a 35 KAIC commercial series rated main breaker. This is the highest in the industry and provides the homeowner with extra protection. And also, the CH Load Center is the only load center in the industry that uses a one-piece copper bus that provides superior conductivity throughout the entire product line. Also, being that it's copper, it is more durable than aluminum, and therefore it increases the life of the product. And so at Eaton, we have worked very hard to innovate a design like this of the CH that is both user-friendly and durable. The unique design will drastically reduce your number of service calls per month, as well as the time spent servicing your load centers. Don't you agree that you and your employees will appreciate less frequent and complicated service calls?
I do, but I'm kind of apprehensive about the fact that my employees might not be willing to learn all the added features of the CH Load Center.
I understand your concerns. Many of our customers have felt the same way. They have found, however, that once they have interacted with and learned the new features of the CH design, that they were extremely satisfied and able to cut the downtime for installations and maintenance almost in half. Also, Eaton has created the Eaton Certified Contractor Network program to help customers and employees and their employees learn the special specs of each load center. The program focuses on providing technical training and continuous education for your employees, and provides marketing tools and a contractor loyalty program. This is only available for select contractors. And not only will your employees be getting valuable training, increasing their productivity by making them more efficient, also you'll be getting our CH Load Centers at a discounted price, enabling you to increase your profits.
Okay. Please have a seat. One of my concerns is, won't the surge protector add more costs that some of my cost-conscious customers may not be willing to pay for?
It may, but in the long run, it'll be more beneficial to them because it will save their high-end electronics from breaking down, and then also they won't have to install or have a massive amount of surge protectors laying around the house for each high-end electronic that they have.
Okay. All right. Let's see. What about So now how are you going to increase my profits with all these additional costs that are...
Well, let me show you how I can increase your profits.
There you go. Okay, you got some paper there?
Well, as we mentioned earlier, your servicing expenses are running you about $1,700 per month, or about $21,000 annually.
Yes, that's about right.
Okay, well, with the CH Load Center, we will be able to cut your service calls down to about 1 per month, saving you approximately $1,300, or approximately $16,000 annually. Do you see how the decrease in your service expenses can lead to an increase in profits and cash flows?
Yeah, I can see that.
Okay. Well, what if I told you that this was not the only way that the CH Load Center can increase your profits?
Oh, what do you mean?
Well, if you don't mind me asking, how much are you currently paying for your load centers?
We're currently paying about $320 for load center.
Okay, and what do you usually turn around and charge your clients?
It ranges anywhere between $425 to $465, but I usually generally like to get an average of about 15% return on all the load centers.
Okay, I see. Well, Eaton offers special discounts to contractors like yourselves to make sure that you get the most out of your product. And the size of the discount varies on the size of the home that you're trying to install a CH Load Center into, and how many circuit breakers are necessary. To give you a better understanding, now suppose you were working on a developed house that was about 4 bedrooms for about $3 million. Let's roughly say that's how much the house is. The CH Load Center and all the circuit breakers required for the house are be listed at about $4,300. However, with the special discounts provided by Eaton, you will be receiving the product for approximately $520. This in turn will enable you to turn around and charge your client a higher price for a higher quality load center.
Okay, well,
And
how do you figure that I'm sorry, okay, you go.
To give you a better perspective, just to clear things up, you can sell your the residential load center to a client for, let's say, about $800. And if you do that, you will be earning approximately $280 in profit per load center. This is doubling your margins that you're already earning on your load centers, and this is just for one house, and we're being conservative selling it at $800.
All right, well, my main concern right now is that my current system only cost me $320, and your system is going to cost me $520 per panel. How is that saving me money if my current system is cheaper than yours?
Well, it'll save you in the long run in service expenses, because with the CH Load Center, due to the special features and its high quality, you won't have to service any load centers as often as you currently are servicing your current load centers. So therefore, your costs will be saved in the amount of money that you're not spending on servicing your load centers, the cheaper load centers that you have.
Okay. That all sounds fairly good, and the price is the main sticking point for me right now, and releasing of the funds actually.
Okay, well, let's just take this scenario. Assuming that you would install 20 load centers a year at $280 in profit per load center, you can increase your profits annually by about $5,600. And as we mentioned earlier, our products will save you about $1,300 per month, or $16,000 annually. And if we take that over 5 years, that's approximately $80,000 saved in service expenses. And we also said, depending on the size of the project, you can earn a $280 profit on each load center that you sell, and assuming that you sell 20 load centers a year, that would increase your profits by $5,600. And if you look over 5 years, that's a $28,000 increase in profits just from the sales of your load centers alone.
Okay.
And so your total 5-year increase in total cash flows would amount to about $108,000. And if you break this down annually, you'll be you'll be increasing your cash flows by about $21,000 to $22,000 a year.
Okay, so I think that'll...
So does that help you with your cash flow?
Yeah, I think that'll address the cash flow issue initially.
Okay. Do you have any concerns?
Well, right now I haven't gotten any bids from a competitor, and that would be one of my main things there. And just that, you know, I don't want to the cash flow. Yeah, the competitor's bid.
Okay. Is there anything else?
Just releasing the funds.
Releasing the funds? Okay, well, is there anything else?
No, if you can handle those two things.
Okay, well, let's just say we can get the load center to you free of charge, or with no change in your cash flows.
Okay, I'm listening.
Okay, well, Eaton, we offer a special program to contractors to build, we offer free of charge load centers to model homes if you build several at a time. And so as we mentioned earlier, our product will already be saving you about $1,300 per load center through the increased productivity, the streamlining your troubleshooting process, and the protective features of the surge protector. Also, we said, depending on the size of the project, you can earn about $280 in profit per load center. That means that your monthly cash flows will actually improve. So does this solve your cash flow problem?
Yeah, I think that's it.
Okay, so we have seen that the CH Load Center will increase your improve your productivity and increase profits. And simply put, no other company offers a load center that provides the complete range of benefits that you'll find in the CH Load Center. If I can get you to sign right here, I'll just put 5-year financing down and enough units to cover your approaching projects.
And how long will it take for me to get the units?
Well, from the date of the order entry, it'll take about 90 days for the units to be released.
Okay.
Does that give you ample time to?
Yeah, that'll be enough for my upcoming projects.
Okay. Is there any other concerns that?
Who's going to be who's going to be my contact with you guys?
Oh, I will personally manage your account, and I will watch over and make sure everything is okay, and I can assure you that you will not regret switching to the CH Load Center.
Okay.
And here's my business card. You can reach me at any one of these numbers if you would like, if you have any questions or concerns, and I want to thank you again for doing business.
All right, thank you very much.
Thank